Okay, so I've watched all these videos on YouTube on how to make a rifle case from a guitar case. So I decided that after watching every last one of them, it would be more affordable for me to make my own. About $50 on eBay for the guitar case. I did add a extra latch, which is that one there, for a lock. Made this because I actually needed somewhere to put my rifle. Not so much for transporting it. Actually, let me show you something before I open this. A pull lever, so I can pull it upright on the wheels that are down here at the bottom. So I can stand it upright and I can pull it. The latch cost me about $10 on eBay. The foam cost me about $20 on eBay. I think it's two 1-inch pieces that I was able to cut out with a utility knife. And the cuts came out perfect. And I put them in with Gorilla Glue adhesive spray. Keep these in there for moisture. Now you can set this up a few different ways. The only thing I had to do was remove this middle piece here and just set it up the way I needed to. It's got a screw here and a screw here, and I just set it up so the rifle would fit in there properly. So that's some extra storage. The rest of it I made it for more storage. Magazines. Now this thing fits in here perfectly with no movement. It's very easy to do. The rifle fits in there perfectly. And it doesn't look cheap. And all this was done for, I would say at most, $110. Thanks for watching.